How to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards the Bitmoji icon at top left corner, and currently you can see your Bitmoji. To remove it, select the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. From the setting menu, you have to scroll down and select Bitmoji option. And here you can see the option to change your outfit, edit your Bitmoji, choose a selfie, and at the bottom you will see Unlink My Bitmoji option. In order to delete, you need to tap on Link My Bitmoji and then tap on Remove button. So if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in your closet. So if you are sure you want to delete, tap and simply remove or delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.